Today, Gujarat Congress leaders Ahmedbhai Patel, Shankar Singh Ji Waghela, MLAs and Congress leaders met Honorable President of India and submitted a memorandum requesting him to deny approval and return unsanctioned the Gujarat Control of Terrorism and Organized Crime Bill 2015, which was sent by Honorable Governor of Gujarat. The BJP state government has attempted to pass this draconian bill on multiple occasions in the past, and it was refused the then President Shri Honorable Abdul Kalam ji during the tenure of the Vajpayee government, and the President Honorable Srimati Pratibha Patil ji during the tenure of Dr. Manmohan Singh ji government. We have apprised the Honorable President that the BJP state government has passed this bill only on the basis of the brute majority, and its passage has ignored legitimate concerns. We also apprise the Honorable President that this bill violates fundamental tenets of our Constitution, and if allowed to be enforced, the state government shall use it as an instrument to suppress democratic dissent, harass and torture civil society and political opponents. This bill demonstrates Sri Narendra Modi's famous Gujarat model, which encourages snooping, illegal detention and police intimidation. Our main grievances of the bill regarding this bill are: it allows the confession to be recorded before a police official, rank of the superintendent, be admissible in the trial against the accused or any of the other accused in case. It allows evidence collected through the interception of wire, electronic or oral communication admissible in the court against the accused. It allows for the period of investigation to be extended to 180 days so that the police have more time to keep an accused in the custody. It provides immunity to the state government officials so that no suit or prosecution can be intimated against it at anything which is done in good faith. It prevents an accused from getting bail while in custody. In fact, there was not a single word relating to terrorism or terrorists in the earlier Gujkoke Act, though the whole act was drafted with reference to local organized crime. Though the whole act was drafted with reference to local organized crime, it was being used to do politics in the name of terrorism. When opposition challenged government to show a single word on terrorism, Gujarat government merely added the word terrorism and terrorist in the Gujkoke Act and called it this GCTOC.
Powered by NNIS.